Thank you for buying this 11602 greeting card rack from Fixture Displays. In this short video, we're going to show you step-by-step instructions how to put it together. You can find this product on fixturedisplays.com by searching 11602. These are the welded strips and top and bottom hubs, hardware, tubes, base, and pigtail sign holder. If you have any questions about this product or other products, feel free to email us cscharliesam@fixturedisplays.com. To begin, we want to fasten the screws and thumb screws to the strip. I'm going to insert the screw. The metal plate is pre-threaded. Now we're going to put on the thumb nut and leave a gap so that we can work that into the hub. Finish all the strips on both sides and identify the left-hand side pocket versus the right-hand side pocket, so that when you slide this strip into the hub, you know which way to go. The left goes to the left, and the right goes to the right. So fit it into the slot just like that, and then slide it. Then you can turn the thumb screw. Likewise, you do this on the top, and repeat this for all the rest of the strips. As you fasten more strips to the hubs, the tower becomes more sturdy as you go. Now we're going to pick up the lower tube, which has a welded nut on the very bottom, and fasten that with a very large screw. While you're on fixturedisplays.com, I encourage you to browse many other card rack products along with other displays and business products, as well as consumer products, giftware, and many other products. Now we're going to insert the upper tube into the lower tube and then fasten with a set screw. The outer tube is pre-threaded, so the screw works against the thread and push the inner tube into locking position. Dimensions: the base is just about 10 inches by 10 inches, and the overall height is 38 inches from the top to the bottom. The pocket is adjustable from 4.5 inches wide all the way to 10.3 inches wide. As you play around with that, you would understand a little better the limitations of this rack and capabilities, of course. The height has a maximum of 8 inches. In the event you need the height to be higher, you can do one of the two things. One is to put the higher products on the very top, or you could cut off certain pockets to accommodate bigger cards from underside. Thank you for shopping Fixture Display.